Evening to Gagan Sai.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, today we learn the a short speech on Independence Day speech. Okay? Yeah, welcome to my channel. Today, this video we are going to write and learn to speech on Independence Day. Let us start. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Gagan Sai Reddy. I am Gagan Sai Reddy, 7th class. Yeah, today I am going to speak. I am going to speak a few words. About on Independence Day. Independence Day speech. Independence Day speech. At first, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day, all of you. Yeah, next. This year we are celebrating 76th Independence Day. Independence Day of our country. Next, this day is our national festival day. This day is celebrated on 15th August. 15th August every year. with great joy. great joy, because on 15th August 1947 we got independence from the British rule. This day is to remember the greatness of all the soldiers and our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others. Devoted their entire life for the independence. Independence of our country. Next, the whole WHOL the whole of India celebrates Independence Day. Independence Day by hosting the national flag and so we respect all of the national flag. Today we respect all of them. So we respect all of them. Next, every day, this day, everybody, okay, everybody sings the national anthem. The national anthem. Next, so it is our responsibility. So it is our responsibility to preserve and respect this freedom. Next, we should try to do everything for the progress and growth of our country and growth of our country. Next, we should feel proud to be an Indian. Say bye. Thank you and thanks all of you. Jai Hind. Thanks all of you. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Say, this is the speech. Yeah, you can practice. Gagan Sai Reddy, you can practice this Independence Day speech tomorrow. We celebrated the Independence Day, so that's why you can practice this speech. Okay, so we will learn and practice this speech only. Say thank you, have a nice day, my dear Gagan Sai. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye.